Okay, Dr. Deuk Machen here at Deuk Spine, and this gentleman just underwent Deuk laser disc repair to fix his back pain and his left leg. So how long did you have back pain for?
All my life.
All of his life. And can you tell if you still have the pain in the lower back?
I've changed that since I was about 20 years old.
All right, since you were
Since
20, that's a lot of years.
Since Vietnam.
You still have the same pain in your lower back you had coming here?
No.
It's gone. And then your left leg, how's that feeling?
Fine.
Feels good. All right. Where are you headed?
McDonald's.
There we go. So he's not staying in the hospital. Are we in a hospital here?
No.
Where are we?
In surgery facility.
Yeah, Deuk Spine Institute. All right. Your surgery went well, and I'm very, very excited for you. You had a really twisted spine, but I got lucky. We were talking about it in the video.
You got lucky?
Got lucky I got in there. It was hard to get in.
Well, it was for me. I've fed this line. I've already been to 5 surgeons from Thailand to the U.S.
Yes.
Every one of them were just bullshit.
Okay.
Because they tell you what they can't do.
Yeah.
And I don't want to hear about what I can't do. I'm sitting here in pain. I'm hurt. Don't tell me what you can't do. Like I told the doctor, you know what I got? I know what I got to look forward to tomorrow. I know it. And he said, what is it? I said, I just don't know how much.
That's right. Well, some of your pain will be gone now because you had faith and courage and you got it done.
Yep, good deal, man. Appreciate
Anything
it.
you want to say to the rest of the world before you go home?
Come here. If you hurt.
Not all at the same time, okay? And we're going to look at your neck next, all right?
That's a concentration.